Hello, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Be at home, be safe. From tomorrow onwards, we will get 10 days holidays for Dasahara. So, today here I am going to share how to make dandiya stick and how to decorate it. In our regular school, we used to do activities for the overall development of children. But due to this pandemic, we all are at home and we all teachers are trying our best to keep kids engaged with some fun activities. Thank you very much, parents. So, today we will learn how to decorate a dandiya stick. Children, you can make this dandiya stick for the Dasahara, or you make this beautiful stick and decorate in your living room also. Okay, so today I will tell you how to make this dandiya stick from the waste paper. Here I have taken A4 size paper. You can take the old newspaper also. You can cut it from one newspaper. You can cut it 4 pieces, or you can take the A4 size waste paper or any magazine, old magazine you can take, and today we will make beautiful dandiya stick, and afterwards I will decorate it. Okay, then just participate in this activity, children. I know all of you will enjoy this activity. Just take 8 to 10 pages of papers and start rolling it. Okay, like this you roll it. Okay, just fold it like this. All the children, at least this part you can do, so that the muscles of your hand will develop. Fold like this, and when your fold is ready, then just put the cello tapes from in the each end of the roll, so that it will bind tightly. Cut with the scissors. Children, please don't use the scissor. Take your parents' help. Parents, please accompany your child while doing this activity, and put some cello tape on the other side of the roll, so that it will stay nicely. Now it's fixed. I have this color of paper ribbon, and you can take ribbon or A4 size this color of paper, or any color paper you can take and directly wrap on it. But today I will use this paper ribbon because it is shining also and it will look nice. So just start wrapping on the roll like this, and put the Fevicol all over the roll, so that the ribbon will stick on the roll nicely like this. Till end you have to wrap the ribbon, so that the white part of the paper will not visible. Okay, after wrapping I am going to fix it with some Fevicol. Okay, after putting Fevicol I will keep some time for dry. Now my stick is ready with satin ribbon. So I will aside for some time for dry. After dry, I will put, I have some ribbon, some lace, some decorating cello tapes, foam seeds. With the with these items, I am going to decorate my dandiya stick. So here I am taking golden color cello tape and I am putting it one side of the dandiya stick, and again I will put this golden color in other side of the dandiya stick. In this color, both golden and silver color will look nice, or directly you can put some Fevicol and you can use that glitter powder also. It will look very nice. So again I am going to wrap this golden cello tape all over the roll till end. After wrapping the cello tape till the end of my roll, it will look more beautiful. See children, how beautiful is this? Okay, some blank spaces are there. Now I am going to put some other decorating item. I want to fill all the blank space. So here some golden color and blue color foam seeds are with me. I am going to put on it. You can take whatever items available at your home. Okay, here I am going to fill all the blank spaces we can see on the roll. I am going to fill with golden and blue color glitter foam sheet paper, and on the foam sheet paper I will put some pearls so it will look more nice, more beautiful. Now it is going to be ready. You can decorate it in your choice. You can use any color of your choice. And now I am putting some small pearls over there so it will look more beautiful. Now my stick is almost ready. You can take any old lace also. And you can hang it on the side of the stick so it will look nice. Now my stick is almost ready. From waste paper we made beautiful dandiya stick. See, all over the roll I put the glitter cello tape, the foam seeds, pearls, and I have decorated. Now the small children can play with this because this is made up of from paper. They can play, they can use in festivals, and you can decorate in your drawing room or living room. Okay, you all the children please make it and send me a photo. Thank you. Bye bye.